Most adjectives have a meaning that can be made stronger or weaker, such as big, cold, good, hot. These are called gradable adjectives. For example, a big box, a very big box, or an extremely big box. Other adjectives have a meaning which is extreme or absolute and cannot easily be made stronger or weaker, such as amazing, freezing, enormous, boiling. These are called ungradable adjectives or non-gradable adjectives. Hi, I'm Danilo. For example, you can't say that something or someone is very amazing because the word amazing is the equivalent non-gradable adjective for the word good. To describe variations in temperature, for instance, we can use hot or cold, which are gradable adjectives. But to describe the limits or extremes of temperature, we use boiling, very hot, or freezing, very cold. These are non-gradable adjectives. Let's look at some examples. Take a look at this table with examples of gradable and non-gradable adjectives. Tiny is the non-gradable equivalent for small, while excellent is the non-gradable for good. The same with boiling for hot, enormous for big, terrible for bad, freezing for cold, exhausted for tired, furious for angry. Some gradable adjectives have more than one non-gradable equivalent. For example, good can mean amazing, fantastic, incredible, or great. Can you think of more non-gradable adjectives that mean very bad? Here they are: awful, lousy. Using modifiers. Timeout. On this channel, you'll find other lessons on adverbs and adjectives. Check the links in the description. We use an adverb to give more detail about a specific adjective. So, which adverbs can we use with gradable and non-gradable adjectives? Non-gradable adjectives, as mentioned earlier, typically do not work well with adverbs that express degree or intensity, such as very, quite, or extremely. However, there are adverbs that can be used with non-gradable adjectives to modify them or provide additional information. These adverbs don't indicate degree, but serve other purposes in the sentence. Before non-gradable adjectives, we use these adverbs: absolutely, completely, totally, utterly, really. Here are some examples. Absolutely. This adverb can emphasize the non-gradable quality without indicating degree. For example, the idea is absolutely ridiculous. Completely. It can be used to express totality of the non-gradable quality. For example, he is completely unaware of the situation. Totally. Similar to completely, it emphasizes the entire absence of the quality. For example, the plan is totally impractical. Utterly. It can be used to stress the extreme nature of the quality. For example, the movie was utterly boring. These adverbs don't imply a scale of intensity, but rather emphasize the non-gradable nature of the adjective they modify. Before gradable adjectives, we use these adverbs: very, extremely, a bit, lightly, really. Example: very cold. Quiz time. Check your knowledge of the subject. You'll find the answer key at the end of the video. Have a good study time.
the answers.
Thanks for watching.